Hi there everybody, my name is Ali and today I will be going to solve another web challenge from the latest CTF competition, which was Intigriti CTF 2023, and today I will be going to solve bug bank. And this one was a very strange one because I was not able to solve this one with the intended way after watching the walkthrough as well, because not the walkthrough, after watching something in the Discord. I know it was DOM clobbering attack, but I was not able to figure it out in some way. But I will be going to show you how I was able to solve it with the unintended way, and that was an easy one. So let's directly jump into it. So right over here is the second one, which is Bug Bank. I will click on this one and let's see what it says. So it says, welcome to Bug Bank, the world's premier banking application for trading bugs. In this new era, bugs are more valuable than gold, and we have built the ultimate platform for you to handle the buggy assets, trade enough bugs, and you have the chance to become a premium member. And in the case you have any questions, don't hesitate to contact your personal assistant. Happy trading. So right over here, it looks like to me there is something related with trading. We need to send some bugs to someone else, or we need to receive some bugs, I don't know. And it says you have a chance to become a premium member. So right over here, let's see what is in this link. It says, welcome to Bug Bank, redefining the value of currency today. And we do have a lot of interesting things, some few images right over here, and we have a join us today, which is definitely, I know, will be a register endpoint. And I'm also having everything in my proxy behind the scenes going on, so everything is getting logged into Burp Suite. So username and password, I always go for admin. Login, user does not exist, so I know user does not exist, so register with admin, and I am logged in as admin. So it says welcome admin, and your account ID is this one. You can transfer bugs and settings. So if I click on transfer bugs, I can try here some different things. So single quote, transfer, and nothing happens. So close. Let's say 1 1 1 transfer. Not enough money, so we don't have enough money, which means enough bugs might be, because I'm having 0 bugs right here. So yeah, I can consider this as 0. The other thing which I can try to do over here is, let's say, settings. Oh, in settings we do have our username, age is this one, country nothing, language is this one, save, and it says premium flag feature, and that's where I know I should get the flag. So it says experience exclusively like never before with our premium flag feature for just 10,000 bucks. Unlock prestigious benefits and stand out in the bug bank community. Embrace this thing, and you are not trading bucks, you are making a statement. So if I click on upgrade, it says not enough money. So what I was thinking right over here is that if I just click on upgrade, it says not enough money. So if I would have 10,000 bucks into my account, when I click on upgrade, I should see the flag. So that's what all this challenge might be about. But how should I do that one? How should I get 10,000 in my account? So one thing which I figured out in my Burp Suite is, let's see, and we do have GraphQL. So the first thing which came directly into my mind that, okay, for all of the things it is using GraphQL, so we can try to do GraphQL query introspection. That is the first thing which actually came into my mind. And actually, if I try to go to Google and I say I will visit exploit notes again, and on exploit notes, what I will do is search for GraphQL pen testing. I should have gone to Hackwix as well, but let's see. These are the endpoints, and the one which I will be looking for is GraphQL introspection query. Let's see where it is. Right over here, I believe. If I copy this thing and if I send this to repeater, Control Shift R to go into repeater, click on send. Let's see what it is doing. It's saying not enough money. So if I simply remove everything over here, paste this thing which I have copied from that one, it is giving me bad request. Oh, I should have done that in curly braces. So remove this, paste this now, send 400 bad request. So Let's go to Hactrix. GraphQL. So GraphQL Hactrix. And right over here, the first thing which we normally do is introspection query, because if introspection query is enabled, we can try to see the database schema of the site. So I think so. This is the introspection query, but the one which I will be interested in is, let's see this one if this works. Full introspection query. Now there are different web suite extensions which normally does this thing for us as well. That one of them is GraphQL Raider, InQL, and a lot of other ones. So paste, copy, paste. I cannot paste it right over here. That's strange. Let's try to copy this thing, paste, send. It is a bad request because it is doing query is equal to. Let's see how we can try to get GraphQL introspection query in post request. So let's see if this one works. Introspection query with new line. Copy, paste, and paste is not working. I don't know exactly what is wrong over here. So let's see whether we do have any GitHub script. So GraphQL GitHub introspection and introspection query for GraphQL. Let's see what is this. So query, introspection query, and this is all the same one. So I don't know exactly why copy paste. Okay, now it does work. And 400 byte request. So let's see. Introduction to GraphQL, GraphQL full introspection query. This is huge. Is there any tool on GitHub? So I will search for GraphQL. I think so. There is GraphQL Corp GitHub, I believe. Yes, it is security auditor utility for GraphQL APIs, because this normally tells me whether there is GraphQL introspection enabled there or no. So I will simply clone this into my current working directory. So git clone and cd into that one and pip install -r requirements.txt, because we need to install all of the requirements to actually run this thing. So done. Now if I do ls python graphql corp.py, and it does work. So we need to specify -t for the URL and output of JSON output format. So let's see if I do -t and if I do this website. So copy, paste, and the endpoint is GraphQL, enter. And I don't know exactly, I need to do the post request as well, or will this work right over here? So let's see. Oh, it does work, and it says hi field duplication introspection query is enabled on this endpoint. So if introspection query is enabled on this endpoint, I should get over here something. So should I do same thing over here? If I, let's try to see introspection query is wrong. So I need to give it in JSON. I believe I'm doing wrong because the initial query was in JSON. So let's try to go to Google again and search how we can put. This is how the query should be in JSON. So it should work, but there is a copy paste problem with this one. I don't know exactly why. So I can try to go to Google and say for introspection query JSON. Yeah, let's see what it is. Okay, if I copy this thing, paste, it does work now, send, and 400 bad request. If I copy all of this is huge. So copy all this thing, copy, paste, send, 400 bad request. So let's see what I am doing wrong here. So it is a post request to GraphQL and application JSON, authorization bearer is here, everything is fine. So GraphQL introspection, where it is. Let's read any blog post. What is introspection in GraphQL? I should have found it on Hackrix, but it is not over here, and I cannot read this one because this is only member only. So let's see where it is. Because I cannot find it anywhere. Let's see if I can copy this thing and put it over here instead of this complete one. So I will simply remove this part. Query is this one. Then instead of doing this thing, I paste schema and send bad request. I think so. I'm doing something wrong over here, or my burp suite is crashed. Bad request because there is no last quote. Send now. Oh, here you go. I think so. There was last curly brace problem, and we do have the schema. So GraphQL introspection query is enabled, and this is the payload. Now the other thing which I can do is I can try to see what sort of schemas are there, database are there, what sort of endpoints are going on, and so on. So I tried all of the things over here and I was not able to find out anything interesting. So the next thing which came into my mind was, okay, I need to get somehow 10,000 bucks into my account. So why not trying to make two accounts and try to do the same thing. So this one is admin account. I need to make one more account. So for this purpose, when I need to make two accounts, I always use PoundFox, which is a multiple account making tool, or you can say containerized tabs, which what it will do is, let's say if I do yellow over here, it will now make me a new incognito tab. So for example, if I copy the same endpoint, paste over here, enter, it will not show me that one. It will say you need to sign up. And now I am having two accounts right over here. So I can sign up over here. I can say test and register. And now I am logged into one browser in the two tabs with two different accounts. And I have also installed this in my burp suite. So if I go to proxy, the yellow ones are the one which are having test and the white ones are admin. So that's quite handy if I'm doing IDOs and bug bounties and I'm doing those sort of things. So the next thing which I can directly and quickly do is my account ID is this thing. So if I want to transfer bugs to someone else, let's copy my admin account ID, which is this one. Paste over here. Amount, I will say 10,000. So 10,000, description, any random thing, transfer. it says not enough money. So just trying different and random things, I tried a negative value of 10,000 because this I always try. So transfer now, and when I clicked on transfer now, it says done, and I do have 10,000 bucks into my current account because I have transferred 10,000 to someone else, so my bucks are 10,000. And now I am having 10,000 bucks. So what I can do is quickly click on upgrade, and here is the flag. So this was quite strange and quite different challenge because someone who is simply doing GraphQL, he can go very deep in GraphQL introspection. He can try to dump the schema. He can try to do a lot of different things and go nowhere. But this is how was unintended way to solve this one. The original way, I think so, was DOM clobbering attack, and hopefully I will make the video about that one once I understood that one and I solve that using that thing. So that was all about this video, and I will see you in the next video. Take care. Bye.